Welcome to the RESPIRATOry YouTube channel. In this video, we'll explore the essential knowledge every pet owner should have when it comes to providing first aid during emergencies. Our furry friends bring us immense joy and companionship, but accidents and unexpected health issues can happen at any time. Being prepared and equipped with basic first aid skills can make all the difference in saving your pet's life. So let's dive in and learn how to be a confident and capable caregiver in times of need. 1. Stay calm and assess the situation. In any emergency, the first and most crucial step is to remain calm. Panicking can cloud your judgment and hinder your ability to help your pet effectively. Take a deep breath, evaluate the situation, and ensure the area is safe for both you and your pet. Remember, your calmness will help reassure your furry friend during a distressing time. 2. Have an emergency kit ready. Preparation is key. As a responsible pet owner, you should always have a well-stocked pet emergency kit readily available. This kit should include essential items such as bandages, adhesive tape, antiseptic solution, saline solution for rinsing eyes, digital thermometer, and phone numbers for your veterinarian and emergency veterinary clinic. 3. Assess vital signs. Knowing how to check your pet's vital signs is crucial in determining the severity of an emergency. Learn to check their pulse, breathing rate, and temperature. Understanding what is normal for your pet will help you identify any abnormalities quickly. If you notice any significant changes or concerns, contact your veterinarian immediately. 4. Handling injuries. In cases of bleeding or open wounds, it's important to apply direct pressure using a clean cloth or sterile gauze to stop the bleeding. Be cautious when handling injured pets, as they may be scared or in pain, which could make them more prone to biting or scratching. If an object is lodged in your pet's wound, do not attempt to remove it yourself. Instead, stabilize the object and seek veterinary help. 5. Dealing with choking or respiratory distress. If your pet is choking, you need to act swiftly. Perform the Heimlich maneuver by applying gentle upward pressure just below the ribcage. In respiratory distress cases, ensure your pet has a clear airway and perform rescue breathing if necessary. Seek veterinary assistance as soon as possible. 6. Recognizing poisoning symptoms. Pets are curious creatures, and sometimes they may ingest something toxic. Familiarize yourself with common pet poisons and their symptoms, such as vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, or unusual behavior. If you suspect your pet has ingested a harmful substance, contact a veterinarian or poison control center immediately. 7. Transporting injured pets. In emergency situations, safely transporting your injured pet to the veterinary clinic is crucial. Use a sturdy carrier or improvise with a blanket or board to immobilize your pet, preventing further injury during transport. Keep them warm and minimize any unnecessary movements. Being well-informed and prepared for pet emergencies can significantly improve the outcome for your beloved companions. The RESPIRATOry YouTube channel hopes to empower pet owners with the knowledge and skills necessary to handle critical situations with confidence and care. Remember, always prioritize your safety and your pet's well-being by seeking professional veterinary assistance whenever needed. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and remember to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on pet health and safety.